Hi, my name is Gaspar Carrasco. I am the Director of Market, Strategy and Technology at Tesela, Materials Innovation and Heritage. Tesela is an SME located in the south of Spain, specifically in Granada. Tesela's main activity is dedicated to research and development of new products for the building and heritage sector. Today, we would like to present you the hermETICS European project, a collaborative project that is addressed to the AMULET first call. The hermETICS project is focused on the development of a new type of eco-mortar for external thermal insulation system, providing a new material for the building sector. For the project, we have counted on the expertise of Tesela as material developer and coordinator of the project. Also, we have counted on the experience of Chemical Building Project and GATIM as partner in charge of supplying material and upscaling the technology development.
hermETICS is a project related to creation a new kind of lightweight base mortar using the auto-healing mechanisms. Our solution is unique because we use an auto-healing mechanism based in the addition of highly reactive mineral, which get the formation of a specific different mineral phase. Also, the end-life tires waste is used to ensure lightweight characteristics in combination with auto-healing materials. Through the AMULET project, we were able to collaborate with two companies specialists in materials, a materials manufacturer and company producing tire rubber materials. Furthermore, the main problems we overcame during the project were the determination of the auto-healing mechanism as well as the generation of the encapsulation mechanism. Some evidence of our collaborative effort includes the determination of the encapsulation mechanism with the AINIA technology center in Valencia and the generation of a life cycles analysis.
The hermETICS project has helped us to adopt a new type of technology and create a unique product for the building sector. Also, the project has served us to collaborate with other companies in a European framework and the academia in terms of technology transfer. We hope our solution will bring to the market an innovative solution for facades and ethics systems and decreasing the carbon footprint of the building sector. Our goal for the future is to continue developing technology and collaborating with the companies involved in the project to create sustainable and sell new products for future generations. Thank you very much.